This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter.
Yo, what's up? Today we're gonna check out how much space we have in this Mercedes CLA. It's Deutsche Auto, Isabel.
Car.
Yeah, car. So it has roughly the same size as a Tesla Model 3. Model 3 can take 19 boxes. How about in here? Let's find out. Let's check out the front first.
Microphone.
Yeah, Isabel, you see here? When you want to open the front, you come here. There's a handle there. 2 times. And then Achtung, Achtung. And then we can open the front. Huh? I need to teach her how to use it. Whoa! I can see that the hood here is quite long. That eats up some space. Uh-oh, this doesn't look good. But here we actually have a decent sized frunk. And it will fit, it will fit 1 banana box. Wait, what do we have under here? Just curious. Rip it off. Okay, what? Is that carbon fiber? Wow. Deutsche Engineering. Okay, but okay, we need to test. There is a slight bulge on the top here. Can we fit 1 in the front? Yes, we can. It's the tire can. Oh shit, she puts small rocks in each box. I need to make sure to check them before I put them in the car. Isabel, can you hold 1 banana box?
Yeah.
Try holding 1. She's a little bit over 3 years old. She can hold 1 box and help me, but she cannot take 2 boxes. She cannot. It's too heavy for her. Yeah. Maybe next year she can take 2 boxes. Yeah. So Frunk, high five. Ah. Oh, Daddy like it's a bear. No, this is English.
Yeah.
Yeah. But wow, look at the nice back. Oh, wait, do we have kick sensor here? Yes, of course. Premium electro auto. Okay, but here we have this small opening. I feel like it's even smaller than a Tesla Model 3. Okay, we have to remove whatever we can to free up space. Oh, the lid here can, well, not really. Yeah, you can, Okay, I think you're not meant to be able to detach this. Okay, so this is what we have then. What? There's even just metal there, okay. Okay, round 1 in the trunk. Well, it's not that spacious, but I managed to fit, well, okay, so just barely fit it here. That's what he said. What? Dude, I cannot take it out again. I could fit it in, but I cannot take it out because it interlocks. Okay, there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus 1 in the front, so that's 6. Model 3 could take 6 plus 1, 7. So Tesla wins! Now we follow the seats and you see that we don't have that much space. It has this big parcel shelf in the middle here, just like a Model 3. Doesn't have that great headroom. Legroom also not the best. But however, here, it has a relatively big opening. I think it was the Ioniq 6 that had a somewhat tight opening, but how is this versus Model 3? Don't remember, but okay. Anyway, let's fill it up. Man, the problem with these cars, just like Model 3, is that when you pack it, it's not always the matter of space here, but because there is like a separate in the middle here, it becomes quite hard to get the boxes in that whatever space you're trying to reach, right? So, well, at least it has glass roof, so that helps. We can utilize the space all the way to the roof. But in the trunk here, I was struggling to get enough boxes in. So you see there's a gap there, but another box simply cannot fit. So this is the best we could do. Okay, let's turn up the pitch. Wait, what? Dude, why is this so inconsistent? It's supposed to be... Okay, whatever. Let's turn up the pitch and start counting.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
16, 17 only. Whoa! Model 3 can take 19. And then, okay, so this becomes 17 plus 1, so it's 18 total, versus Model 3 that can take 20 total. So, well, you get even less space than Model 3, and, well, less space than Firefly. But I mean, as long as you don't care about the space in the back, you don't carry a bicycle anywhere, you can put it somewhere else, then no problem, right? Because you have a car that is almost as efficient as Model 3. So that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.